So how do you heal from infidelity? I think the first thing that you need to do is you need to take responsibility. No buts, no blaming the other person for what they didn't do. And you really, really and truly have to apologize with sincerity. You know, a lot of times people who were the cheating party, they want to, well, if you hadn't, you know, if you had just done this, or if you had just done that, that's an excuse. You know, and you're not taking responsibility. Anytime you say but, if you're saying but in the relationship when there's an explanation for the cheating and you're saying but you, that's not taking responsibility. All right, and if you're blaming the other party for what they did or didn't do, that is not taking responsibility. That's lame. That's being immature, and that's not healing the relationship. Really and truly, you have to apologize with sincerity. I can't stress this enough. Because a lot of times, people, when they apologize, I said I'm sorry. Look, I'm sorry. That's not sincere. A sincere apology comes from the heart. It's heartfelt. You're looking that person in the eye. You're holding their hand. You know, you're letting them know that you're serious. You're serious about what has happened, and you know that what you did was wrong.
What he said. All right, secondly, you have to be an open book. If you want somebody to forgive you, you have to be an open book. Okay? If you have cheated on somebody and you have the audacity to want them to forgive you, you cannot afford to have privacy, sweetheart. No. You cannot. No. And on top of that, you need openness. But also in that openness, you have to have an eye to eye. Sit down, eye to eye. When people look each other in the eyes, it becomes a different scenario.
It does.
Okay?
It does.
And look each other in the eye and understand and talk and discuss on how it got that way.
And a lot of people don't want to do eye to eye because of the lying. There's still some lying in there.
Which we gonna do in the next series next week.
I'll calm it down. All right, I want to go.
Yeah.
All right, number 3, you got to be patient. If you're the cheater, you have got to be patient because regaining trust really does take a long time.
Absolutely.
You know, regaining that trust from the person that you cheated on, it's not an overnight thing. You know, it's going to take some time. And true forgiveness takes even longer. I mean, like true forgiveness, where there is no residual effects from your past indiscretion. That takes even longer.
Even longer.
So you got to be patient.
Absolutely. Okay, next. Just know that your relationship will never be the same. It will either become better than it was before, or it will end. And it all depends on you and how you react to it. So, if you're one of those people that have done wrong and you're on your best behavior until you think that it is okay, and then you go right back to your shenanigans, know this. No bad deed goes unpunished. And your punishment will be severe. And the punishment that you think that you're going to get will not be the punishment that you will get. It will be least expected. And it will hurt you so severely that you will wish that you can go back and tell all the people that you hurt how sorry you really were.
Karma.
But to all other people that have cheated and that know that you have messed up, you know that you have, and you're sincere and you're truly apologetic. If you follow those 4 steps continually, you can regain the trust and forgiveness in your relationship, and everything will be better than it was before.
That's right.
Don't forget to like.
And share.
And whatever you do. Whatever you freaking do, don't forget to subscribe. Okay? Okay. Until next time, guys.
Peace.